Hello, good day. In my previous video, I share on Nio and Semiconductor 3 times bull ETF SOXL. Today, I would like to share my views for coming 2 to 3 weeks. Because I am holding a job, and also own business as well, hence it is not easy for me to take up time to analyze the market. I hope you can also motivate me through subscribe to my channel so that I can improve my skill sets with an increased subscription and motivate to do much better analysis to share with you. Let's go. A recap: on August 20th, I was expecting a weakness in the semiconductor sector by analyzing SOXL 3 times bull for semiconductor ETF. The biggest holding is Nvidia, therefore it means it is not a right time to chase up Nvidia. Probably it will be time for Nvidia to show some weakness. At the same time, I have also continued selling call options of China stocks in US for instant noodle dividend. These 2 trading plans work well and help me till now. Let's go for SOXL price action chart on August 20th, 2023. You can see that it has broken through the upper box range, and there is a higher probability to reach the second box range. Looking at SOXL now, you can see that it has just reached the second box range. Therefore, I will tend to wait for the next price action for SOXL into last week of October. As Nvidia is linked to SOXL price range, you can see that it has steadily go into a downtrend since August 20th, and it is very important to watch whether it can hold the support in the next 1 to 2 weeks. If it does not hold the support, then going lower is a higher probability. As for Nio, it has a big plunge lower due to the sudden announcement for $1 billion of convertible loan. I would wait for Nio to reach stability in price action before deciding the next move. I do believe higher oil price and depending on China government policies for Q4 to support the economy will be important for Nio stock. I will also put the link of Nio video which I had made before to share with you why is this so. Fundamentally, Nio is weak because there is currency exchange rate risk and debt. However, since Nio is speculative by nature, from it moves from bankruptcy to the height of $62 in February 2021, it will be an interesting candidate to gauge the price action. Given Nio has cash enough to sustain 5 quarters or more, I do see more speculative nature of stock price movement if it can surplus $12.50 in the next 3 months. Before I go into the summary, let's hear from a short video interview yesterday.
You mentioned XPeng, the big deal yesterday. BYD came out with earnings. How are you looking at EVs now?
I think, EVs is one of the long-term strategic sector in the green economy basket that we've been highlighting, right? But I think in the short term, there are still challenges for the OEMs in terms of, the pricing pressure, in terms of, the competition and potential market consolidation. So, we say that strategically, this is definitely an area investors should be positioned in, but in the short term, you probably can still pick and choose the timing and the stocks. Yeah.
Therefore, the catalyst is very, very important also for Nio.
Specific sector where you think revisions are starting to come alive? Because overall, we're still down. You're trending down, as you point out.
Yeah, I mean, we need to see the end of the earnings season to figure that out. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, how would you trade the market now, short term? What else do you need to see?
I think so far we've seen some monetary easings, the 10 basis point LPR cut, some relaxation on defining the mortgage for, first-time home buyers. We've seen some stock market-related policies, stamp duty, stop large shareholder share selling. But these policies in themselves, I mean, they are a good start, right, in terms of rebuilding the confidence, but they are insufficient to set the market direction. Because I think what investors are fundamentally concerned is about economy, right? It's the fundamental problems in property market, in LGFVs, in the private sector, employment. So I would say that, we still need to see more policy addressing the fundamental issues. And investors' patience are limited, right? We've seen post the Politburo meeting, market traded down like 10% in a week. Then with no policy following up, market actually hit new lows of the year by
Therefore, it's very important to see what policies is coming out
are still
soon.
Very important policy window, we might still be able to give the policymakers some benefit of the doubt in the near term. But if there's no more policy coming out by mid-September, for rest of this year, earnings economy market could face a pretty challenging time.
In summary, September month has shown more or less similar to the past S&P wink with tongue sticking out average monthly performance. It has a lot of volatility where it washed out both the bears and bulls. If I do have to compare Nio and Nvidia, I would probably prefer to play a small position into Nio as has dropped in share price more than the loan it has taken, whereas Nvidia's surge in share price has overshadowed the amount of money it can earn from AI stories. I will be posting my weekly video soon. In order to get my latest analysis on stocks, please do like, share and subscribe so that I can share with you on my trade preparation and journey. Brace for the third Friday of September. Thank you.